What is up? Tell you the truth, I'm a bit tired. But remember, no excuses. Yes, Walker's what he calling life. Footwork every day. Yeah. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? Today, we're gonna do another combo. Cross 6 and tap 5. Let's do it together. Ready? Let's go. Yeah. Yes, this is the move. Now, let's learn it together. No excuses. Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go and learn it together. You ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross to the front. Open. Open. Now, we tap to the front, step to the back, and step in place. Yeah. Now the same with the right. Cross. Open, open. Tap. Step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step again. Step in place. Now again with the left. Cross. Open, open. Tap. Step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step in place. Yes, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, looking good. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice this is symmetrical. The same with the right and the same with the left. Again with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Yeah. Already looking good. I know. You look good doing this move. But you know what? Let's make it even more smooth with more practice. Practice makes you better. Yeah. So, how do we do that? Now, face to face. You ready? Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yes, but practicing first. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Let's go. We cross. We open. We open. Tap. Step to the back. And step. Yeah, with the right. Cross. Open. Open. Tap to the front. Step to the back. Step in place. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And you know what? Let's give some tips. What do you say? Let's play with the heights. Let's see how we do that. Let's go. We start high. 1, 2, 3. We can go low. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. Now we go high. 1, 2, 3. We go low. 5, 5, 5. Okay, when we go low, we emphasize the steps. Let's watch from the side. We cross. Open, open now. 5, 5, 5. Yes, emphasize. 1, 2, 3, go down. Yeah. By the way, when we go up, we can wave up a little. Try it with me. Let's go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, we go down. 5, 5, 5. Now we can go up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5. Now we can go up. Notice. I go up with the wave. Bam, down, down, and go down. Bam, bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Yeah. This is the move, and these are all the tricks Try to use just one of them. See if that works for you. See if that works for you. Take your time. These just tips. If you want to focus on the legs and you're not there yet, focus on the legs. And you know what? I have something better for you. You can practice with me in the studio for free, anytime you want. These specific moves. But how can you do that? Check the links above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and practice with me these moves. Today we did cross 6 and tap 5 combination. So in YouTube you can practice with me each one of those separately. Yes, and remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. No, no, no. It is the thing you do that makes you good. Yeah. That's why I'm pushing you to practice, because I want you to get better and enjoy the dancing more and then more and then more. The more you practice, the better you get. I'm serious. And remember, these moves, cross 6, tap 5, or all the other moves I'm sharing with you here in Marcus Body Coding Live are universal. These moves are universal. You can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, semba. Yes, samba and semba are not the same. And by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2. Why? Because you can start with the right or with the left. And for the same reason, it's also good for the women's steps and the men's steps, because it's symmetrical. You can start it with the right or with the left. Either way, do these moves today, practice today, get better. But do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have another footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So either way, practice today, meet you tomorrow, and of course, have an amazing day today. Look what an amazing day today here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. See you tomorrow.